Question. If D follows the normal distribution, then find the following probabilities. The key of this question is to change these probabilities into the form P D is bigger than D, or P D is smaller than D, or P D is bigger than D1 and smaller than D2. If we can change the form of these probabilities into forms like this, then we can use the calculator to find the probability. So first, let's check question A. A in the brackets is D more than 265. Intersect the D smaller than 280. So let's check them on the number line. So here is the number line. Here is 0. Here is 265, and here is 280. So for the D is more than 265, it's this part. And for the D smaller than 280, it's this part. We need to find the intersection, the overlap of them. So the overlap of them here is this part. It's this part. This part is the overlap region of them. So this part is D bigger than 265 and smaller than 280. So for question A, the probability that D bigger than 265 intersect D smaller than 280. This equals the probability that D bigger than 265 and smaller than 280. Now we can use the calculator to find the probability of this. And now let's look at question B. We still use the number line, but for question B, it's different. Here is all. So we need to find the region of D is more than 265 and the region of D is smaller than 280, and put them together and put the two regions together to find the final region. So this part is D more than 265, and this region is D smaller than 280. Put these two regions together, we will find the whole number line. So we get the probability that D bigger than 265 or D is smaller than 280 equals the probability that D bigger than negative infinity and smaller than infinity. We know this probability equals 1. And now let's go to question C. For question C, we still use the number line. Here 0, here 242, here 256. The region that D is smaller than 242 is this part. And the region that D is bigger than 256 is this part. And here is intersect. So we need to find the overlap of these two parts, the intersection of these two parts, but they do not have overlap. So the probability that D is smaller than 242 intersect D bigger than 256. This equals 0 because these two regions they do not have common parts. They don't overlap.